store of the mustard seed is a very tiny seed that grows into a huge tree. So the apostolates grew. And what we do really is we react to society in terms of where the needs are, to ensure that those who are not provided for, NGOs such as ourselves provide the care and support that is required. The majority of our children are abandoned. They come to us through the government, through the Child Development Agency. And of course, the population includes not just those with exceptionalities, and when I say that, I'm talking about intellectual impairment, cerebral palsy, children with attention deficit problems. It's the whole gamut that you can think of, we have it, plus those who have physical disabilities, who cannot walk, who are wheelchair bound. We also have a community of children who are HIV positive here in Jamaica. In terms of how we survive, we get a small stipend from the Ministry of Youth and Culture. It takes care of 25% of our needs. So the other 75 we have to go and fudge for. So we have a lot of programs in place that help us to really provide the best care that we can for the children. In all apostles we have income generating projects.
One of the major plans for Mustard Seed is to be as self-sufficient as possible. So as a result of that, the steps are taken to have several farms and gardens in several homes. One of our big ones is in Monique. We have several greenhouses and several acres of land. But here in Spanish Town, what we have is that we have broilers, we have layers, we have the fish ponds, and also we have areas that we do several different types of vegetables in the garden.
We have several projects we're starting with. The first one that we're going to be moving on is an expansion of our agricultural products out at Jerusalem. We have 2 fish ponds where we grow tilapia for sale. We'll be expanding that to 4 fish ponds. We're going to increase our egg layers. We're going to build a 1,000 layer chicken house, and that will take our capacity from 2,500 to 3,500.
I work in the accounts department at Mustard Seed Communities. I am also a customer of Mustard Seed. I sell eggs. I have a large customer base of about approximately 30 persons, which I sell on a weekly basis. And they're really happy with the eggs I sell because they're large and they're fresh and they have a longer shelf life.
Being a part of the SEBI program shows us that we can be profitable instead of just being, an income generating to sustain ourselves, not just sustainable, but to be profitable.
To help us a lot more, because what we do first and foremost, is to provide care for children.